Hello, this is Annie from Red Glasses. Today I want to show you a recipe called Saikyoyaki. It is a traditional Japanese dish. It's a miso marinated grilled fish, but you can cook it in oven or grill, or today I'm gonna use frying pan, so you can just prepare and cook it very easily at home. Let's get started. The first thing is miso. You can use any kind of miso. Sake, any kind of sake. I just used it from a leftover from a meal. And a plastic sealed bag. You'll put the marinated fish inside. And this is optional. It's milling. It's a traditional Japanese seasoning. It basically adds sweetness to your fish. So if you don't have it, you can substitute with sugar or honey. And last but not least, the fish. So I recommend using salmon or cod. The traditional one, I think it's black cod. They're a bit more expensive and harder to get. So today I'm just using salmon. So first of all, you need to clean the salmon and dry it. Use the kitchen paper towel to dry it. Optional, so if you don't have it, you can substitute it with honey or sugar. You don't need a lot, so I'm just gonna add about half spoon. Then mix it well. This is your paste for marinating the fish. If the consistency is too thick or too thin, you can just add the seasoning to balance it so it reaches a paste consistency. Like this. Now put your fish into the bag and make sure the fish is covered in miso paste. I'm not massaging the fish, just trying to even out the paste. And now let's put it in the fridge and wait for a couple of hours, and I usually do it overnight. This is the fish I prepared yesterday. First of all, clean the miso. If you cook the miso, it's very easily to get burned, so make sure you clean the miso well. Then dry your fish with a paper towel. Let's cook it. Turn on a stove to